So it says given. So it says given the following 2 points, write a linear equation that goes through the 2 points. So we have -3, 5 and 0, 10. The first step whenever writing an equation, the first step is always to find the slope. To find the slope. And we call that M. So we're given these 2 points. So we're given -3, 5 and 0, 10. So the first step when trying to find the slope of 2 points is just stack them up. So just stack them up. -3, 5, and then 0, 10. And then we always work from the bottom to the top, bottom to the top. We're always subtracting x, y. Just like that. Remember, we're finding the change, right? Because remember, to find slope, it's m equals the change of y over the change of x. So to calculate change, we're always subtracting. Like if you're going to the store, you buy something, the way you calculate your change is how much you paid, subtract how much the thing costs, and then that's how much money you're getting back. You're always subtracting. All right, and then we work from the bottom to the top. So the bottom number is a 10, so I'm writing 10 minus a +5. How you say it is how you write it. And then I would look at my x's. 0 minus, so minus a -3. People always forget that double negative. Don't forget that double negative. They just put 1 minus. That changes everything. So it'd be 0 minus -3, not 0 minus 3. Okay? And then I know that 10 minus 5 is 5, so I'm going to put equals 5. The double negative becomes a positive, so it'll be 0 plus 3. And then simplify it, get 5. Oh, my bad, let me rewrite that. You get 5 over 3. So m equals 5/3. Just like that. All right, second step. So once you found m, then you move on to the second step. The second step, always same second step, is find. So find your y-intercept. Find the y-intercept. I'm putting y-int for short. It's always b. So I want to find what b equals at the end. So I'm given these 2 points. So if you look up here, I'm given these 2 points. -3, 5, 0, 10. I'm going to write both of these. So it's -3, 5, and 0, 10. So I'm going to label it x, y. Remember, x always comes first. Y always comes second. I'm going to look at this for clues. So I'm going to look at one coordinate or one ordered pair at a time. So I'm looking at my x's. That's the first thing I'm looking at. So I'm looking at x. Does it start off with 0? Is x 0? No, it's -3. That doesn't really tell me anything yet. I move on to the next point. If x is 0, that's exactly what I want to see. Because the y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. So if x is 0, what's the value of y? Well, in this problem, it's 10. So that means my b is 10. So that becomes very easy. Just like that. And then your last and final step is to write the equation. So now you found m, you found b. Now you want to write your equation. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. Okay? So my whole goal is to replace m and it's to replace b. So I want to replace m and I want to replace b. That's my goal. So I'm going to rewrite this again. But everywhere that I see y or m and b, I'm going to put parentheses instead. So y equals something x plus something. So if I look at this problem, I know from before m was 5/3. So I'm writing 5/3. Also in this problem, I know that b was 10. And then I'm going to rewrite it so it looks a lot better. So y equals 5/3 x plus 10. I am done. That's it.